Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you to use your heated seats. So while the vehicle's on, you'll find these buttons here. These are for your heated seats. This is the driver's side and passenger side. And then you push it down, this would activate the high, and you'll see this light up in front. And then if you want the lower setting, just push it down here and you'll see this light up. Same process for the passenger side. And then when you want them off, just put them back to this middle setting. And the easiest way to test if these are working is just to turn it on and then just sit in the seat for a few minutes, see if your butt starts getting warm. If these aren't working for some reason, first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a fuse burnt could cause these to not work right. Next, I'd potentially check under your seats, see if there's any loose connections that need retightened or replaced. If that doesn't work, sometimes maybe spills or something, maybe shorted out something in the heating mechanism itself. So you might need to address that by replacing the seats or something like that. Or even potentially check behind the plastic here and make sure there's no loose connections or anything like that that need addressed. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.